Hello everyone, this is Physics 103, and in this lesson we are going to learn about two elements that are semiconductors, silicon and germanium. So silicon and germanium are both in group 4, which is from the carbon group. So the carbon group's valence electrons are, for example, in silicon, its valence electron is 3s2 3p2. For germanium, its valence electrons are 4s2 and 4p2. So in other words, they have 4 valence electrons. So these 4 valence electrons actually participate in covalent bonds with the other 4 valence electron. So they form a structure similar to the diamond crystal structure. So this has a special property in which that at very low temperatures, so for example, if at low temperatures these electrons don't move very much. So if we are going to see how their energy bands behave, so this is their valence band, and for example this is where their conduction band is. So at low temps, so the valence electrons doesn't move that much. So at low temperatures, they act as if they are very insulators. So their electrons doesn't want to go up in the conduction band. They don't want to participate in conducting. But at room temperatures, they are actually conductors. So what happens is that their valence bands are actually shifted up. So that some electrons are able to participate in conduction. So that's why at two different temperatures, they can behave being conductors and insulators. So even though they are conductors at room temperatures, silicon and germanium in their pure form, pure silicon and germanium, they are actually poor conductors. Although they conduct, they are poor conductors of electricity at room temperatures. Take note, at room temperatures. So these two elements cannot be used in pure form. for electronics. So for electronics, we want things to happen quickly when we apply a current to, for example, a pure silicon and germanium. They won't conduct. They won't perform as if they are like wires. They won't be good conductors. That's what I mean. So what they actually do is that instead of using pure silicon and germanium, they dope it with other elements. So by doping, it means improved performance. So by doping group 4 elements, you are actually improving their performance such that they can actually be treated as good conductors, and at the same time they are also insulators. So it's like you traded off something good in both worlds. So nevertheless, they are still semiconductors. So in the next video, we will talk about what is the process of doping and how does it improve performance of pure silicon and germanium.